Your nose might be the most powerful health tool. Right now, you're probably breathing through your mouth without even realizing it. Stress hits, deadlines pile up, and suddenly you're a mouth breather. Your body registers this as a survival mode signal, and everything shifts. Your heart rate climbs. Your oxygen doesn't distribute quite right. And a crucial chemical your nose naturally produces just stops. Today, we're exploring why nose breathing isn't just a breathing habit, it's a biology hack that changes your blood chemistry in minutes. When you're under pressure, your nervous system shifts into what researchers call the fight or flight response. This ancient survival instinct floods your body with cortisol, your stress hormone. And one of the first things that changes is your breathing pattern. You unconsciously switch to mouth breathing, which feels faster and more urgent. Your body interprets this shallow, mouth-based breathing as confirmation that danger is real. It's a feedback loop. The stress causes mouth breathing, and the mouth breathing amplifies the stress response. Most people don't even notice it happening. But your cardiovascular system absolutely does. Here's what most people don't understand about oxygen. It's not just about how much you breathe in. It's about how efficiently your body uses it. When you breathe through your nose, the air travels through nasal passages that warm, filter, and humidify it before it reaches your lungs. This prepares your respiratory system perfectly. But there's more. Nose breathing creates slightly higher carbon dioxide levels in your blood, and that sounds bad, but it's actually the signal that tells your blood vessels to release oxygen more effectively to your tissues. Mouth breathing skips this entire process. You get air, but your cells don't access the oxygen as efficiently. Your nose produces something your mouth doesn't, nitric oxide. This molecule is a game changer for your cardiovascular health. When you inhale through your nose, you activate the paranasal sinuses, small air-filled cavities in your face, and they release this powerful compound. Nitric oxide enters your bloodstream and does something remarkable. It dilates your blood vessels, meaning it widens them. Wider blood vessels mean lower blood pressure and better blood flow. Your heart doesn't have to work as hard. When you mouth breathe, you bypass those sinuses entirely. You lose this natural chemical advantage. It's why nose breathers often have naturally lower resting heart rates than chronic mouth breathers. Want to test this yourself? Switch to intentional nose breathing for just 90 seconds. Many people notice their heart rate drops noticeably. This isn't magic, it's physiology. The nitric oxide, the improved oxygen efficiency, and the activation of your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's calming branch, all work together. Your nervous system receives a clear signal, we're safe. Within a minute and a half, your heart doesn't need to beat as fast. Your blood pressure follows. This is why slow nasal breathing is so effective during moments of panic or anxiety. You're not fighting your stress response with willpower. You're using your biology to shift it. Nose breathing should be your default during rest, sleep, and everyday moments. But exercise changes the equation. During intense workouts, your muscles demand more oxygen than nasal breathing alone can deliver efficiently. This is where mouth breathing becomes necessary. High-intensity exercise is one situation where switching to mouth breathing is completely appropriate. The key is awareness. Know when you're doing it and why. During recovery, return to nose breathing. The 4-7-8 technique: inhale through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 7, exhale through your mouth for 8, is a powerful tool when anxiety spikes. It forces nasal breathing while extending your exhale, which naturally calms your nervous system within minutes. Your nose isn't just for smelling. It's a control center for your nervous system and cardiovascular health. Start small. Notice your breathing during stressful moments today. Consciously switch to nose breathing for just 90 seconds. You might surprise yourself with how quickly your body responds. Small shifts in breathing create real changes in your biology. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and follow Health Simplified. See you in the next one.